Okay, so it's just kind of one of those dreary days. It's overcast and it's kind of sticky out today. If you know what I mean. If you live like in the southern states, you know what I mean by sticky. It's like the air is thick and it's like you feel wet just by walking around, even though it's not raining or anything. Check out the bamboo; they're actually looking really good, growing well. But yeah, that's what kind of day it is today. I've been up for a while. Cari just got up about an hour ago, and we're gonna go clean a house, that same house we cleaned the other day. And I'm off today, so I don't really know what else we're doing besides going to Walmart to get some cat food. That's about it, because I was wanting to do something. We might do a snack review or something to make my video cool and exciting, but I don't know what it is going to be yet. But just, I guess, stay tuned and find out, see what we do. Okay, for a snack, I'm going to have a grapefruit. That's the grapefruit. I cut it in half because I want half of it now and half of it later. So you cut it in half. And the best way to eat a grapefruit is with a special spoon. If I can find it, if we have it. No, oh, wait, no. Well, I don't know how to do it. We got a lot of stuff in here. Well, let's see if I can find it. Well, I found it. It's this right here. See, it's ridged on the tip. See? There's little ridges. That way you can dig in. Oh, hey, look at there. I'm right there in the spoon. That way you can dig into the grapefruit. Now you can put either, some people put sweetener. I kind of like it with sweetener. Like I'll just sprinkle a little bit on top, and then that's good for the whole thing. Well, you don't have to use sweetener, but grapefruits can be kind of tart. So that's why I put sweetener. And that's what I'm going to have right now because I'm hungry before we go walk. So, and I got something in my eye. That was a juicy grapefruit. So much juice in it. I even poured me some. But I feel like I got squirted all over the place by it. Oh. Oh, it's good. Like I said, it's a little tart. So I added some sweetener to it, which made it not so tart and sweet. Look, we had biscuits, or Daddy and Cari had biscuits earlier. Now they're like little hard things. I like to squish them. Squish, squish. Squish, 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 squish. They're fun to squish. I wish I could just poke a hole, but then someone might be wanting to eat those, so I better not. Oh, I'm bored. I want to go do something. I don't know what though. I might go crochet for a minute. I know we're getting ready to go walk into Walmart and to Whole Foods. So my brother Adam sent us a CD for my dad to listen to. Jim is that comedian? Oh my gosh, I forgot his name. Jim Caviezel. I don't know, some kind of last name, but he's really funny. So we're gonna get that and then bring that back home to Daddy. After that, I don't know what we're gonna do. So just stay tuned for more exciting stuff from me. Playing with something. What is it? What are you playing with? Huh? On the prowl. You're funny. Are you tired? Wanna go inside? Filming with my new camera. It's gonna be the first full new camera vlog.
Yay! It's kind of hard though. You can't see yourself.
But that's okay, because it's wide enough that I know I'm not just like focusing somewhere. So this is where we're doing now. We're going to a bank. We're going to Whole Foods, Walmart, and on a walk. Sorry, I inhaled my own spit. So yeah, we're doing exciting things.
That's right.
And then we'll go back home for a little bit.
We gotta go get. I need to get a ticket for. Wait a second.
I'm gonna try to make a mug pizza maybe when I get home.
I need to get a Powerball ticket.
Or like a tester Like, not, I'm just want to...
pizza?
Yes. A little ramekin pizza, actually, because I have a little cute little ramekin that I'm going to put it in, and we're going to try it. Because I've been watching recipes, and we're just going to give it a go and see what happens. Just as a tester, you know, like a snack kind of. I'll try it.
Oh, you could tell it's the day after a holiday.
Busy lines.
We'll pick... Which one?
I don't know. We need to do a balloon pop challenge again. Like that one I said.
That scared me.
We're going to do a balloon pop challenge. Maybe today.
Stagnant. I guess I'll pick
We'll
this
see.
one here.
We made it!
God.
That was her. We're here at our little walking spot at Pinnacle. Did we ever figure out the name of this little park?
We see it every time we walk in, and I don't think to look again.
Well, we'll look this time and see if we can see the name of it. But there's a few cars here, but it looked like
Got a weird little name.
some people were leaving, so that's good. Oh, I'm sleepy.
I'm not. I overslept.
Excuse me.
Why didn't you wake me up?
I don't know.
You usually call me.
I thought you needed to sleep.
True, I did. My cats kept me up all night. Eeyore did this all night. And he just got out of the litter box.
Oh, God. That's wrong.
No, that's why I probably had to put my head under the covers.
Yeah. But yeah, so that's what we're doing now. And then we're heading to Walmart, then home.
Yeah.
The water's not that high. It's still so peaceful.
Figured out.
Let's see Cari's Disney outfit. Look how Disney she is. And her earrings. And her hat. And I got my earrings on. And my Frontierland shirt.
I didn't realize that some of it's color. Like red, white, and blue.
And the ducks.
Oh yeah. Cool.
But it looks so nice out here. It's like kind of a cool feeling again.
Not so humid.
Yeah. Not so humid. We might rent kayaks one day and go drifting down this.
We can rent the bikes since we're going to get bikes, but until we do, we can rent them, show them how that works, and then rent kayaks.
Yeah, so we'll be.
But I don't want to go on the big river. I just want to go on this one.
Yeah, we just want to do like little back rivers like this.
That big river makes me nervous.
Ugh, grosses me out. What it looks like in here, isn't it pretty?
One of those like rowing things.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
River.
Looks like a little swamp in here. We have to cross over little
Dang it.
pools of water. Crossing over. Again. Gross. Alright, well we're on our second lap. This is so much fun. It's so nice today.
I know.
It is overcast, but that's okay because it feels good. And
Good, because I got a sunburn yesterday.
yeah, well I didn't get a sunburn. But it's so peaceful out here. We love it so much.
We were supposed to clean house today, but they canceled. So
Yeah, we're supposed to clean someone else's house. I actually said that earlier. But
Oh,
she
sorry.
decided to let us come next week to do it. So we'll just do it next week. It's just, I love it out here so much. We're going off the path into the wilderness on another path. Looks like it has drapes of cloth all over it. Huh, it's a fork in the road. Huh. Looks so peaceful in here still. I like it. I do. Wow, this is interesting. It's a weird little path. It's like tarp kind of stuff.
Why would they do a park?
I don't know. It looks all gross and ugh. I don't know. So nice in here. You hear the birds. Yeah, they got yellow markers.
Hey, do you see the cluster of mushrooms in the circle?
We made it back! I didn't say what time it was when we started, but I think it was like, I don't know, we got here a little, like, right at 1, close to 1, and now it's 2:06. It takes us about an hour.
It's 10 minutes late. It's 2 minutes fast.
About 50 minutes. Anywho.
We like
Now on to Walmart and then home to relax for a little bit. Huzzah. And then I might do an experiment later. Depends on if I'm going to pick out a little jar of mine and see if I can find something that I have at the house. Oh yeah, I was going to try making that mug pizza. Ramekin pizza. And we're off. It's always a lovely sight when you go to Walmart and you see fully stocked paper towels and toilet paper.
I feel like we need a new one.
Yeah, we do. I meant to get it the other day. So yeah, we're in Walmart now getting stuff and milk and stuff for the cats. Then we'll be on our way home. On our way home. On our way home. My camera broke. Oh my gosh. I need to quit going up to Cari's face. I'm trying this stuff. It's called Heart of Palm Spaghetti. Gluten free. $2.24. I don't know about it. We'll have to see. Look what Cari did. She stepped on this little, like,
and I saw it going in.
I think it was a barbecue sauce packet thing.
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour. And she rolled over it, and it got on our bags. It's so gross. It's been sitting out here a while, I guess. Our grocery haul. Ew.
Not bags. That's
I didn't do that. This and this.
Yay!
And Daddy got.
He bought another Jim Gaffigan.
Gaffigan, that's his name. I forgot.
You couldn't remember his name?
No. We're back home. Time to go watch.
Gaffigan.
Gaffigan. Gaffigan. Gaffigan. We're getting ready to go sit and watch some more Simpsons. Yippee. And we just did our grocery haul.
Daddy can eat his meal tonight.
Yeah.
Mama saved you some of that food from yesterday.
Yeah, I got it. The hair. Right. Oh man. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make. I wonder if my head's in the shot. I don't know. Can't see. Might back it up. Maybe? I don't know. Can you see it? I can't see. Anyway. Okay. Sorry. I got me a ramekin. In the ramekin, you take. I'm just doing a half portion, just a half small size because I'm just testing this out. So you do a tablespoon and a half a tablespoon of I got gluten-free flour. Then so then you add some salt. I got pink Himalayan sea salt. Put a little bit. Okay. Then we're gonna add a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of oil. Your choice of oil. Whoa. Just one. Okay. And a tablespoon of milk. We'll shake up. Brand new. Alright. And a tablespoon of milk of your choice. Oop. A little bit over. Oh well. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. And then give it a stir. And take your fork and you stir, stir, stir. So this is called a simple dough. Real basic. And said you use your own dough or flour, however you like. Get all the corners. That sound. Ugh, that kind of hurts. It really hurts. Okay, so you get it to look like dough. Get all the clumps out of it first of all. Alright. Smooth it out. Okay, there we go. Then we take your pizza sauce. Hope this is still good. I get sick later, we know why. Okay. I'll use this spoon. Can do a little bit. And enough just to cover the top. You don't want it too saucy, or else it will talk back to you. Just a little bit more. Tastes good. There's some taste. So that's what it's looking like so far. You can see it. And cheese. Pretty much everyone uses mozzarella, but I'm using Velveeta cheddar. And give a generous amount, not too much. Just a little bit. I don't want to use pepperoni, but feel free to top it however you like. I just like mine cheesy. Okay, that's what mine looks like. Alright, now we're gonna bake it for, we're gonna try it for 30 seconds on a 1000-watt microwave. See what happens. Here we go.
Yeah.
This is after, well, I did about 30, probably about 40 minutes altogether because I had to put it back in.
40 minutes? Oh my god.
I meant seconds.
Look what she did to my lovely cheeseburger from McDonald's.
It's totally not changing. It's totally not going to be a how to make a pizza mug recipe.
How not to make a pizza mug recipe.
We're going to try it right now. It's going to be a small one, like I said.
I'm going to try it.
I said we're going to try it. Really hot.
Where's the half and half? Is it? Oh, here it is.
Is that regular coffee?
The one I just had? No, it's hazelnut. I use the hazelnut one. Here's the regular
Hot.
one here.
Yeah.
Move.
Hot.
Those regular, those hazelnut you can get. Well, you can get.
But it tastes good. It tastes like a little pizza.
You can get two cups out of there.
Oh, that's
You'll
good
use
enough.
use the medium and the small.
Okay.
See, the dough's really
We'll
right
do
there.
that then. Well, it doesn't taste as hazelnutty. Is it good?
It's good, but it's hot. It's really good. You want to try a bite?
Oh, sure. Why not?
You can use the fork that I just ate off of.
Yeah, sure.
It's just hot. Why do you have to scrape the fork with your teeth? Why is oh my god. Why do people do that?
Because you react
It
like
does this to my mouth.
He did it again. He turned my pants down.
What do you think?
It's okay. Not my favorite, but not bad. Hey, Dave, watch out.
I like it.
Ketchup holder.
It's a gluten-free, so what do you expect?
I expect perfection.
It's good. Don't listen to her. You made this with regular flour too.
Uh-oh. Is your tummy gonna accept it?
I didn't make it with regular flour.
There goes Ben. She's leaving
You
again.
want to try my pizza?
No, that's okay. You gotta save it for yourself.
Daddy's scared.
Save it for yourself.
That means he does not want to try that awful piece of you know what.
It's good.
If you would choose that over real pizza, no way.
They would. Let's choose this one. Thanks for watching.
Don't eat it though.
In the morning.
We're gonna watch Ben take peanut butter.
I'm gonna give you. He didn't give me him an apple today, did you?
You can look and see. We'll look and see if
Want
they'll
some
make chicken,
peanut
okay?
butter?
Oh. I guess we'll do Chick-fil-A or Walmart first. Which one first?
Petco first.
Well, I meant after Petco.
Well, if we do Chick-fil-A, I mean Walmart, we'd have to go back to Chick-fil-A and it's right there.
Okay.
Where's Penny?
Baby.
Oh, she's outside.
Oh.
Oops.
Yeah, up here. By the
I'll give her
tree.
this when she gets back.
We're about to run some more errands. So we're gonna run to Chick-fil-A, Petco, Walmart, and Little Caesars. And I'm gonna change into my purse when I get home. Isn't that beautiful? And it has a matching, well, Cari got this for me a while back. It's Coach.
Here she goes. Here she goes. She's going.
And a matching wallet.
Hey, Penny, she pooping.
Oh, good.
Yay.
Hey, I'm gonna leave this out so I know to give Penny her pill. Her epic quill.
Here's Cari. We're getting ready to go to Walmart. Look at this is how excited Mama gets.
They made me do it. They made me do it.
That's Mama's going to Walmart dance. She always gets so excited to see Shimmy.
Real. I can't wait.
That's what it looked like.
Hey.
Hey, it said it's supposed to rain at 6. It is not raining and it's 6:30.
Oh gosh, we gotta go. We don't want it to rain. We're gonna miss Tucker. Hey.
This seems to be a very familiar sight. The Walmart store. So yes, we are going into Walmart yet again. And gosh, that sun's bright. Yeah, we should.
Come on up today.
Then I guess we're getting Little Caesars after here. Oh my gosh, the sun is really bright.
And you don't have
Get our whole thing.
And then we'll be back home. Yay! Well,
I've got my lap.
we got our Little Caesars.
This seat needs to be cleaned. It looks
Carrie stuck it in the trunk though.
like, yeah,
I was
because
gonna
y'all are
get
fussing over
a
it.
video of it.
You better not hit the brake.
What?
Okay.
That lady was ahead of us. I wonder what
Now we're heading home. We did our
Something probably takes longer to cook.
grocery haul
It might take
from
longer to cook.
Walmart and Petco, and we got
We went to Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
We went to Walmart. We went to...
I already said that. Petco and Walmart. Oops. So sorry.
That's just
Little
gross.
Caesars. And now we're heading
Oh
back
my
home.
gosh.
Wait.
You're weird driving. I'm just part of the groceries back here.
Oy, help. Get me out of here. And now we're going to Walgreens. That's the right.
Walgreens.
Just
Yep.
to get my name. I just want
Don't
to get my...
turn over. We're gonna miss the thing.
Turn it off.
Okay, who's ready for a subliminal message? Oh.
Just kidding.
It's not that heavy.
A little heavy.
Ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, look at the other one. And he's so beautiful.
Oh.
Smells so good. Drooling.
I'm happy.
Oh, well, there's our grocery haul again. Another one from Walmart.
Okay. I want to turn this oven on so I can put a couple of pieces.
Now I'm gonna go get my other clothes on, my pajamas.
Let's see. Delis? You got delis figured out already?
Yeah, and sit down and relax. Change into my purse.
And then...
What, Cari? What? What are you saying?
Nothing.
Hello?
I was not saying anything.
Now we're in our office watching Simpsons and eating food. There's Dodger. There's Dinah staring at me weirdly.
That is, yeah. Yes,
And I got my food.
Oh, look at the look.
Oh. What is it with the look?
What is going on with
She's so sweet. What a day. This was a great day off. Tomorrow I have a
Yes.
1 to 9:30 again.
Oh, that's a long
That's
day.
okay. Hey, it'll be fine. I'll do great. Always this little beggar here right when I come to the kitchen. Oi. One of these days, Dudley. One of these days I'll get you. Just kidding. Okay, well, it's at the end of the day. I'm about to clean up the dishes and change into my new purse, which isn't new, but I'm just going to change to this purse I got from Walt Disney World years ago. That's about my life in a nutshell right now. One of these days, when we win the lottery, because we play the thing every day, or at least we try to get tickets, because we could really use the lottery win. I'm going to pay everything off. I'm going to pay bills, like credit cards bills, the house off, cars, all that, so we have a clean slate. Then we'll have a brand new house. We'll move. And then I'll do even better vlogs because I'll be more free. So yeah. And then I'll just have money to actually use wisely. Like, most people don't know how to spend wisely, but my family does, because we've been through a lot. So that's what's gonna happen. And I'll help people who need help, and little animals, especially dogs and cats. So that's what's happening. Look at this. That's my these are can tabs. And here I'm collecting this for a friend because her daughter was gonna make a outfit out of them in her school. That's why I need to actually ask her if she still needs those or not. I don't know. Dudley, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Alright, so I'm going to change my purse out real quick from this one to this one. And yeah. And that's my Danny. My Danny doll from the Hocus Pocus. What is that? Great, something sticky on her. Ugh. Denison, that's what it is. Danny Denison. Couldn't think of her name. Okay, well that's what I'm doing right now, and I'll show you the end result. It's midnight, which means I'm going to bed. Good night. Well, today was fun. I love having days off because we do stuff. But that must come to an end tomorrow when I have to go back to work.
I need to find a job.
And
I don't have to work.
Oh, right. Well, I'm turning this up because our room in here is so dark, so that's why you can see us. Say hello.
I did something in my neck. It hurts to lift up.
Carrie
Can't
can't
lift
your
up.
neck.
Ah.
Don't lift up. Well,
I
tomorrow
should be able
is
to.
a full day of work for me, and Carrie gets to stay home with the doggies. And then I'll be home to do whatever. I'll try to film some in the morning of something.
Make sure I'm up for.
And we'll get Carrie up.
All right. Don't forget the key.
Oh yeah. Don't forget what?
Don't forget the key.
Oh yeah. Don't forget that key. Night.
Night.